Welcome to Crypto Trading Tips, Strategies for Success. In this video, we will explore the world of crypto trading and equip you with valuable strategies to navigate this exciting and fast-paced market successfully. Cryptocurrency trading has grown in popularity in recent years, with millions of people across the world entering this profitable sector. Trading cryptocurrencies has become more accessible and efficient than ever before, thanks to the advent of new technology and platforms. In this special video, we'll look at the best ways to trade cryptocurrencies, covering both established approaches and developing ideas that might help you along the path. This tutorial will give useful insights to optimize your trading performance, whether you are a seasoned trader or a newbie. Number 1. Spot trading. The foundation of cryptocurrency trading. Spot trading is the most conventional and simple way to trade bitcoins. It entails trading digital assets on exchanges at the current market price. Spot trading provides immediate ownership of the cryptocurrency, making it excellent for long-term investors. To begin spot trading, you must first select a trustworthy cryptocurrency exchange that meets your trading requirements. Number 2. Margin trading. Amplify your profits with leverage. Margin trading enables traders to increase their potential earnings by borrowing money to trade greater positions than their account balance permits. It entails exploiting the exchange's leverage to increase gains or losses. While margin trading has the potential for large gains, it also has increased dangers. It is critical to fully comprehend leverage, risk management, and the exact terms and circumstances of margin trading on your preferred platform. Number 3. Futures trading. Betting on the future price movement. Futures trading allows traders to bet on the price of cryptocurrencies in the future. Futures contracts, as opposed to spot trading, include purchasing or selling assets at a preset price on a future date. To make educated selections while trading futures contracts, it is critical to understand market patterns, undertake technical analysis, and regularly watch the market. Number 4. Options trading. Enhance your trading flexibility. It is a more advanced approach that gives traders the right, but not the responsibility, to crypto trading at a preset price and period. This strategy provides flexibility and risk management by allowing traders to restrict their exposure to market volatility. Investors can create money through premiums or safeguard their portfolios from possible downside risks by trading options. Number 5. Copy trading. Follow the experts. Copy trading is a relatively recent strategy that allows traders to duplicate the trading tactics and positions of successful investors. Social trading capabilities are available on platforms like eToro, Zulu Trade, and Naga, allowing users to connect with expert traders and automatically replicate their transactions. This strategy is especially advantageous for new traders who want to learn from professionals while also making regular earnings. Number 6. Algorithmic trading. Harnessing the power of automation. Algorithmic trading, often known as automated trading, is executing transactions based on specified criteria using computer programs and algorithms. To discover successful trading chances, these systems evaluate massive volumes of data, market patterns, and indications. Algorithmic trading can give a major edge in the fast-paced Bitcoin market by removing human emotions and responding quickly to market fluctuations. Number 7. Decentralized exchanges (DEXs) embrace peer-to-peer trading. Because of its unique features and greater security, decentralized exchanges (DEXs) are gaining popularity. DEXs, as opposed to traditional centralized exchanges, allow peer-to-peer trading straight from users' wallets, removing the need for middlemen. They provide increased privacy, control over finances, and less reliance on third parties. Uniswap, SushiSwap, and PancakeSwap are popular DEXs that operate on distinct blockchain networks. Number 8. Peer-to-peer exchanges. Peer-to-peer exchanges are another option for trading cryptocurrencies. Without the need for an intermediary, these platforms link buyers and sellers directly. This means you can receive better prices while avoiding the costs associated with traditional exchanges. However, caution is required while using peer-to-peer trades, as scams and fraud are common. The importance of learning effective trading strategies cannot be overstated, as they can make the difference between making consistent profits and incurring substantial losses. A strong understanding of trading principles, market analysis, and risk management can significantly improve your chances of succeeding in this rapidly evolving market. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us for more updates and expert tips on crypto trading.